Hey, what's good, YouTube? We back at it this time with some Fila packages. I ordered a couple of pairs of shoes on Fila website, and I don't know which is which in these packages. I got them all. I got all three of them here. I'm just putting the label face down because, you know, ain't really trying to show all that. But I got three pairs right here. I got two Grand Hills and a Fila cage. So I'm gonna see which is which on the first. Opening these up randomly. So let's see what we got here first. Now I did use a promo code that knocked down 25%, so I was grateful on that. And okay, so this here is actually the first shoe I ordered. This is what got me to get on the Fila website to order it. While I was on there, I seen they had these Grand Hill 3s, so I said, man, well, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a pair of each. They had a brand new colorway I've never seen. Some like probably like a Lakers colorway because it was gold and purple. But anyway, we're here to look at these, and these here is the Fila cage mid. So I got them in my size 10. Now I did hear some stuff like these might run a bit small, so I should have went up a half a size. If that's the case, I will return them for another size, or exchange them rather. And to show how much I paid on this here, it don't show. I paid about $60 something, probably like $67 for this pair after the taxes and after the promo code. So look right here, you got this paper that shows like fence, because these hence the name cage. So this is what we're working with. This is the Fila cage. This is what again made me get on the Fila website to order these. And while I was in there, I seen the Grand Hill 3s. They hadn't released them in a minute, so I guess they're gonna bring them back. Hopefully they bring the original colorway back, because the OG Grand Hill 3 is by far the best one. But let's put this box right here in the back and let's take a look at the shoes. So you do got a lot of mesh material, which I'm not a fan of this material. So anyway, we're just gonna turn it around for everybody to see. So all this here, you got some I would call that synthetic leather. You know, it is real leather. So you got synthetic leather all the way around. Stop at the heel, and you got this mesh material. This is more like some nylon material. Nylon. The mesh would be, I guess, right here on the toe box, because it's not the same as this here. So you got this mesh on the toe box, and right here on the side, this is where you got like the webbing, the caging effect. I don't know what they call this here in the back of the ankle, but let me show you guys the inside. Let me take this off right quick. I'm not going to do too much of a detailed review. I just wanted to show them. I looked for them on YouTube. I didn't see any other videos on this here. So look at that. You got that Fila embroidered with the same material from the toe box. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. So on the inside, you got the cage. And here go the size tag in case you want to see it. This is for me, size 10. They go the style code up there above. You got like inside, you got that little tag, the little white tag in there. See that right there? So that's what the troop shoes will have. But look at the bottom. They got that, I forgot what they call this here effect. Is it the cement? Something like that? I'm not too sure. But this is the bottom. Just pretty plain, and I believe it's the same exact outsole as the M Squad. Look very similar, if not the same. I remember looking at the bottom of an M Squad, it looked exactly like this, so it might be the same exact outsole. So you got that Fila right there, Fila branding right there, embroidered as well, just like the tongue, and nothing on the medial side. So that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna just give you guys an on feet and show you guys what these look like. I'm gonna go ahead and put these what they call the toe shields on them before I do that, because in case I don't like the way they fit, these are going right back to Fila, so I could get a size up, which will be a 10.5. So bear with me.
Take the homeboys fade, yeah. Pull licks with these sticks, get paid, yeah. Now I go to war, get the homeboys saved, yeah. Used to go to war, take the homeboys fade, yeah. Pull licks with these sticks, get paid, yeah. Now I go to war, get the homeboys saved, yeah. I remember shooting nines in the wartime. I remember seeing loved ones in the casket. How they did my homeboy, it was real tragic. How we did they whole block, it was real savage. I remember being broke, I was living average.